Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from FairPhone 3 to an Android device. Start by accessing Play Store on both smartphones and clicking on the search bar. Then you need to type Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices, and following that choose Send on FairPhone and Receive on an Android. Then you need to tap on all of those kind of dots in order to send all of those data. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one photo, choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this password over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on an Android, then select Allow in the pop-up and scan this QR code using your camera. Now we wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into some kind of Files app, like My Files. Tap on In My Case Images and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!